Don't worry, we will put you in TripAdvisor, Couscous.
Okay. Agadir Couscous trip. On trip is explaining.
We're
in
Italian.
Italian.
To Argan Factory.
What are the 7 languages?
And Cactus Factory.
Italian,
Bibili kami ng argan oil,
Spanish,
guys.
English, German, French, Arabic, and Portuguese.
Here in Morocco.
How it looks like that?
Like the
Oh,
big mosque of
yeah.
Casablanca.
Is there the Argan Oil Factory?
No.
In Casablanca.
VIP. Yan. Not Fabrica. Napasok kami ngayon. Bibili kami ng Argan Oil.
And that's how the women make the argan.
Argan.
You are welcome. My name is Couscous. We are in Agadir. Now you are visiting the Argan Factory, the Women Association. If you come to Agadir, look for Couscous.
Okay, Couscous.
Okay, put me in.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Gusto mo yung bintana?
Gagi.